Hey my friend, welcome back to this How to Make Money Online in 2020 video series. This is the Fortune is in the follow-up video. So let me share my screen and let's jump right in. Okay, how to make money online in 2020. The Fortune is in the follow-up. We're going to talk about the Fortune is in the follow-up. Is email marketing dead? I hear that a lot. Your number one goal with your business. I'll show you some follow-up examples and then some final thoughts. So the Fortune is in the follow-up, my friend. You've probably heard this. The Fortune is in the follow-up. Well, what does that really mean? Statistics say over and over again that most people won't buy on their first introduction to a product or service. Industry standards say it takes 7 touches, at least 7 touches or 7 interactions before most will buy. Now that's why it's so important to follow up with people. Now in this video we're going to talk about following up via email, but there's also following up via social media, Facebook chat, via other mediums other than just email. However, email is still super important, and you're going to see why in just a minute or so. Now, is email marketing dead? I hear this a lot, especially nowadays. I hear different people throwing this term around. So you may have heard this one. Email marketing is dead. Now, conveniently, the peeps that keep saying that email marketing is dead have something else to sell you, like a Facebook chat bot or something, okay? So these are recent numbers from a successful marketer I know and respect. And this marketer tracks their statistics very, very well. So I believe these numbers. For them, on Instagram, they're making 7 to 15 cents per click, okay, when they do all their numbers. On Facebook, they're making 30 to 50 cents per click. YouTube and Google, they're making a little over $1 per click, which isn't bad. Email, they are making $7 per click, okay? Again, these numbers are from somebody who tracks everything religiously. I believe them, and they are very successful. So, no, email marketing is not dead, and in fact, it's still the best and most profitable traffic source. The problem is that most people, when they have email lists, they've probably gotten them via solo ads or some other garbage traffic, and the quality of their email list is garbage. It's bad, all right? If you build your email list with the right traffic sources and build that know, like, and trust via those emails and email to them appropriately, then that's where you get these numbers, okay? Now again, if done correctly, you have built that know, like, and trust already, so your email list is higher quality. So you're really building a raving base of fans that want to hear from you, that want to get your emails. Now, your number one goal with your business, if I ask 100 different coaching students or people what the number one goal with their business, chances are the majority of them are going to say getting sales and getting traffic, all right? Getting sales or getting traffic, but that's really not your number one goal. I mean, everybody wants to make sales and get traffic, but really your number one goal is to get that email address, and it's super, super important because, again, statistics say that most people won't buy on their first introduction to a product or service. They need 7 touches, and they need to really develop a little bit of relationship with the person trying to sell that, right? They want to know that the person is trustworthy. You want to build that know, like, and trust, build a little rapport with them. So your number one goal is to get that email address. Now, once you have the email address, you can follow up, and the fortune really is in the follow-up. And the bigger your email list grows, the better it is, and the easier it is to have an offer. If you've already built that know, like, and trust, if you promote that offer to your list, you're going to get sales. It just depends on the number of people that are going to buy for that particular email. Now, follow-up examples. When someone enters their email into your lead magnet or your opt-in page, and this is more talking about the sales funnel process, but your email autoresponder, and I talked about this in another video, that's one of your 3 essential things you need to have as an email autoresponder. It sends out a welcome email with details on what is next and how to access whatever it is they were looking for. Then your email autoresponder sends out daily emails as what they call a follow-up series or some email autoresponders actually call it an autoresponder. Now, I like to have at least a 5 to 7 day automated follow-up series, but it can be longer. I know people that have 30 days. I know one person that had a 200-day follow-up series. I think that's a little long, but the point of this is when you have your email autoresponder set up to your web page builder or your sales funnel process, it's all automated. This is how people make money while they sleep, money while they're on vacation, the laptop lifestyle. That I kind of hate the terminology because it's really been used a little bit in a sleazy way out there. But this is really how you have an automated business that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by 365 days a year. Because when you have this automation in place, all this happens whether you're working on your business or not. So basically, you have this email autoresponder hooked up to your sales funnel, your sales page, where people enter their email. They're looking for something cool or some cool information or free tips or whatever. They get add to your email list, and then your email autoresponder, after you set it up, sends them automated emails on a daily basis for a certain period of time. Then you can send out periodic, what they call broadcasts or newsletters to your email list. That's just a one-time thing where, hey, by the way, here's some cool value for you. Here's some info for you, and you send it out to your list, and you can keep in contact with your list that way. Now, personally, I think you should provide value. It's like an 80%, 20% time. 80% of the time, your email should be value-based. In other words, giving your customers or your potential customers and email subscribers value, something of value that you know that they will want to hear. And then 20% of the time you want to make pitches or promote a product. But it's usually, in my case, I prefer soft pitches, like in a PS line. PS, if you want to learn more about XYZ, click here. I don't usually do hard pitches with my emails. But the point of this is email marketing is a very, very important part of your sales funnel and your sales process. So don't underestimate that, and email marketing is not dead, okay? Yes, there are other things that people work on in parallel, but in my opinion, and from everybody that I know that's successful, email marketing, that should be your number one your number one goal is to get that email address so that you can follow up with people via email. All right. Now, final thoughts. The fortune is in the follow-up with email marketing, and the average person takes 7 touches or introduction to a product or service before they buy. Email marketing is definitely not dead. I think I've shown you the numbers and shown you that already. Your email list is your most valuable asset. So even if you were to lose everything, if let's say you're an affiliate marketer and the company you're promoting goes out of business, and everything that your marketing stuff is all not valid anymore, you still have that email list, so you can pivot to another product that you obviously you got to stand behind, but then you can promote that product to your list, and you still have that list as an asset. So building your email list is still your number one asset and your number one goal for your business. Your number one goal is to get that email list so you can follow up and build that know, like, and trust and relationship. Now, you can follow up with automated autoresponder messages for every day for so many days, and then you follow up with periodic broadcasts or newsletters just as a one-off email to send out to your list to continue that communication between them. You want to provide value. You want to build know, like, and trust. Do soft pitches every so often, and then every once in a while you can do a harder pitch. Like if you have something that you really want to promote and there's a time limit on it, and you know that you only have a few days, you can send out an email every few days with a harder pitch saying, with the countdown timer or whatever, and use scarcity to help push the people that would normally buy or just kind of like, I'll wait. But if you have a hard deadline and a scarcity in there, then you can push them with a little bit harder pitch every so often. Only use that periodically, though. You don't want to do that too often. All right. I want to end with this, as with every video in this How to Make Money Online in 2020 video series. Success is out there, my friend, but you must go get it. Yes, you must go get it. All right. It's not going to come to you. I'll show you the path. I'll help you where I can, but you have to go get it. All right, let's stop the screen share. All right, that's it in this how to make money online in 2020. This is the fortune is in the follow-up video. Hope you got a lot of value. Don't forget to like and comment below. And that's it for this video. I'm Todd G. I will see you, my friend, in another video.